How's it going? My name's Quinn. Thank you guys so much for renting with Andex Rentals. Your support is greatly appreciated. Today, I'm going to be walking you through how to start one of our two-stroke engines. It's a pretty simple process, so without further ado, let's get to it. So when starting a two-stroke engine, generally it's the same as a four-stroke in the sense that you need to have your kill switch on, you need to have your choke on, you need to have fuel, and then after that you can pull the pull card and it should start. So the first step, like I said, is the kill switch. This is where the kill switch is located on our power broom. So for instance, as you can see, it says stop with an arrow pointing this way, which means that that is the kill switch turned off. So to turn the kill switch on, you must push it this way. Push it forward, opposite of the arrow pointing towards stop. After you get your kill switch on, the next item that you want to look for will be your priming ball. Most two-stroke engines generally have one. So as you can see here, you can begin to pump it to get some fuel primed into the system. So after that, the next thing that we want to do is make sure that we have the choke on. The choke is on, as you can see from the indicator, showing that the throttle plate is closed, closing the intake. And then with it down, it's showing you that the throttle plate is in line with it, allowing for air to free flow into the intake. So for starting position again, we want to make sure that the choke is on, which is the up position. Now that we have everything set and we have the kill switch off, we have the choke on, and we put prime in, we should be ready to give it a pull to start the engine. Once you get the engine started, then you just want to make sure that you turn the choke off to allow the air to free flow into the engine and for the engine to run properly. Well, there you have it. Super simple process getting these two-stroke engines started. If you have any questions or concerns after this video, do not hesitate to reach out and give us a call, and we will do what we can to facilitate you and get you and your item up and running. As well, thank you again so much for supporting Andex. We greatly appreciate your business as well as the local support. Thank you so much and have a great day.